Hello everyone, in this video I will review Sparkle Wellness Skin Boost Plus. Sparkle Wellness Skin Boost Plus is a collagen powder designed to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. It contains varicose bioactive collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and buffered vitamin C to help your body absorb nutrients better. Each serving powders 5,000 mg of collagen peptides, which is good dose for daily beauty support. Many users report smoother skin, improved elasticity, and a reduction in fine lines after consistent use. It also helps strengthen nails and supports hair thickness, making it popular among people focused on overall beauty and health. The powder mixes easily with water, smoothies, coffee, or juice, and the unflavored version doesn't affect the taste of your drink. There are also flavored options like mixed berry and tropical, which make it enjoyable to take. Users often notice a subtle glow and healthier looking nails within a few weeks. The product is convenient for daily use and the container is travel friendly. On the downside, some people experience mild stomach discomfort when storing the supplement. It can be pricier than generic collagen powders, which may be a concern for long-term use. Results vary by individuals and it usually takes 4 to 6 weeks to see visible changes. Occasional packaging issues have been reported, such as loose or broken seals. The product works best alongside a balanced diet, hydration, and sun protection. Overall, Sparkle Skin Boost Plus is a high-quality collagen supplement that offers noticeable benefits for skin, hair, and nails. It's easy to use, mixes well, and has a good range of flavors. While results take time and the cost is higher, many users find it effective and worth incorporating into their daily routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.